Hi guys, we're now in our dining table. We're going to cook a beef caldereta, guys. Hey guys, we are now in the dining table and we're going to cook a beef caldereta, or how to cook a beef caldereta. So let me introduce you the ingredients. There's garlic, onion, red bell pepper, oil, beef cubes, tomato sauce, beef broth, bay leaves, potatoes, and carrots. And instead of olive, guys, we're gonna use green peas, and of course the salt and pepper. So let's go ahead and start cooking now. So I'm going to start now, guys. I'm gonna put oil, then garlic, and of course onion, guys. Don't you worry, guys, I wash my hands. Of course, the red bell pepper. Then I'll show you later the beef when I put it. Of course, guys, I already put the beef, guys. So I'm waiting to turn it to brown before I put the bay leaves and tomato sauce and beef broth. Okay, so see you in a bit after 10 minutes. Here it is, guys, after 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to put bay leaves, 3 to 4 leaves of bay leaves, and then we're gonna put the tomato sauce on it. And of course the beef broth rather. Then we let it simmer before we transfer into a crock pot. Because we don't have pressure cooker, guys, we're gonna transfer it into the crock pot and we'll cook it for 1 hour. So that's it for now. As you can see, guys, it's boiling, so we'll transfer from the pan into the pot or crock pot, guys. So please bear with me. I'm gonna put this first, the meat, before we put that. Okay. So we'll cook this for 1 hour, guys. I'm gonna transfer this. There it is. So I'll put it in slow cooker. For an hour. Put it in low. There it is, guys. So I'll show you. Here is now our from here to here. So that's it, guys. See you in after 1 hour. The crock pot. So guys, ito na yung beef caldereta. We're gonna put now our vegetables. So we'll start with the potatoes. Potatoes, guys. And then put the carrots. And next is the green peas. So as you can see, it's still frozen. So when everything is done, guys, when all the vegetables are good, then we're gonna put this, mix it all. Instead of putting olive, guys, we put green peas. So as you can see, the beef are tender now. Then when all the vegetables are done, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Then it will be done later. So please bear with us and see you around. Hi guys, I'm back. This is the finished product of the Kaldereta. And already seasoned with salt and pepper. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.